Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn about the difference between filter and where. So both are like if you'll use right filter and this where right WHER, both are the filtering data filtering functions which used to filter the data, but there is little slight difference, not bigger difference. Like filter is used on top of the RDD, and this where is used on top of the data frame. So data frame is made on top of RDD. So suppose like I have this file, right, parquet file, which I have read, and now like I have to filter. Suppose area should be like just let's work do one thing. Df underscore filtered. Okay, so we will put this and df parquet dot filter. And if we'll put over here, right, we have to pass data frame. So for that, what we have to pass df dot, we will pass area and should be equals to this. And let's show this. So df filter dot show. We could see right these two values having area 7420, but if we want to use the where condition, right, so for that what we have to do, we have to pass over here, we have to import one function. So we will import from Pyspark dot sql dot functions import call. We will import the call functions, and then we will remove this data frame thing. We will just use call, we will pass it, and we will pass the value and we will put inside this, so we can get the same result. So there is not any major difference between these two. There are like just slight difference between these two, like it works on to the columnar level, that is data frame, and it works over the RDD, and both are the filter functions of the